Good evening, everyone. This is Vinod Koshal, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, IIMT College Gatna. Today, I am presenting a topic, most important topic actually, that is turbine.
जितेंद्र सर को अंदर लो सर को अंदर लो इनको रिकनेक्ट करो युवन सर को अंदर लो कर लिया जितेंद्र
Good afternoon, everyone. हेलो, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? हेलो, अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। आज ठीक है, एक अच्छे टॉपिक पे आज एक प्रेजेंटेशन होना था आज, लेकिन अभी कुछ टेक्निकल दिक्कत आ गई है, जिसकी वजह से विनोद सर अभी कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। वो टेक्निकल जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसको सॉल्व किया जा रहा है, उसके बाद अभी लाइव हो जाएंगे विनोद सर। तो फ्लूइड आगे चलेगा लेकिन
Hello. So we were discussing the turbine. Turbine are broadly classified into two categories. One is impulse turbine and another one is gas turbine. Impulse turbine are those turbines which have the only kinetic energy at the inlet of the turbine. However, gas turbine are those which have both the kinetic and pressure energy at the inlet of the turbine. Now, come to the next slide. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Pelton turbine, let us discuss more about the Pelton turbine. This turbine is named after the scientist A. Pelton. This is an American engineer who developed it in the year 1880 A patent wheel is a tangential impulse turbine, and the available energy at the entrance is completely kinetic. Further, it is preferred at a very high head and low discharges with low pressure. This pressure available at the inlet and outlet is atmospheric. Means patent turbine or high head turbine means this turbine requires water at the very high level. Head means height, or you can say the altitude. In this patent turbine, we store the water at very high level. This is generally useful in the very hilly areas where rainwater is being stored in the dams at the hills, and that stored water uh, are being taken into the turbine at the ground level with the help of large size diameter pipe that is called the penstock. These penstock have the two ends. One end is connected to the dam at the hill, and another end is connected to the inlet of the Belgian. And this inlet have consist of the two things. One is the nozzle, converting nozzle, and another one is the sphere. Sphere is located in the nozzle. What is the function of nozzle? Everybody knows by the theorem of Bernoulli, we can uh, understand the conversion of pressure energy into kinetic energy. So our main motive in this turbine is to convert the pressure energy into kinetic energy. If we have the highest kinetic energy, then this water having highest kinetic energy strike onto the bucket of the runner wheel, and the uh, runner will rotate more and more. This is our main objective. Now, uh, let us come to another slide. Uh,
आवाज जाने लगी, आवाज जाने लगी इससे क्या बोलेंगे? हाँ? हेलो, हेलो, आवाज आ रही है? कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम की वजह से वॉइस में दिक्कत हो रही है, जिसकी वजह से आवाज नहीं पहुंच पा रही है सभी के पास। तो टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करी जा रही है। जल्दी हमारे विनोद सर लाइव आएंगे और उस टॉपिक पे लेक्चर देंगे। तब तक हमें इस पे जो है उनका इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आप लोगों की स्टडी चल रही होगी, क्योंकि फाइनल ईयर का डेट शीट आ चुका है। 11 जुलाई से पेपर है। मुझे लगता है तैयारी आप लोग अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे। तो आप अच्छे से तैयारी करिए, और पेपर आने ही वाला है। तो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होते ही विनोद सर लाइव आएंगे।
Hello, everybody hear me? So we were discussing the construction detail of Peterbilt turbine, and by chance we lost some connection in between, and yet there is some problem. I think this is yes. You can say you can just see the shape of the bucket is very important in this any kind of turbine. You can say. In the left-hand side diagram, you can see that on the wheel periphery there is some bucket. This is the top side bucket. This bucket having the design of two two hemispherical bowl connected uh, in between, and the portion that is connected in between is called divider or splitter. So the jet of water strikes at the center of this bucket and gets split into two halves. And in the right side we can see the runner diagram. Runner means a wheel on the periphery of which plenty of buckets are attached. So you can say the key to the periphery of wheel. Now this is the casing. Casing means the covering of the turbine. Turbine is what actually a rotating element is called the turbine. Runner is mounted on the shaft, and plenty of buckets are and both of these things are covered with and all this uh, casing. So the casing has the two functions. One is to avoid the accident, and another one is to avoid the splashing of water. The water is splashed, and after striking to the casing, it will again get collected into the downstream side. And this collected water is known as the tail race. There are two kind of races there. One is the head race. Head race means the water that is collected on the hills is called head race, and the tail race is the water after doing the work on the buckets that is collected is called the tail race. Now come to the next slide. Let us see the components, various components of this Pelton wheel turbine. We have seen the casing here. We have some different diagrams, and now see the penstock. Penstock we have already discussed that the penstock is the diameter of a pipe of large side diameter, and the nozzle is attached to the other end of the penstock. The purpose of nozzle is to convert the fresh energy into kinetic energy. Another one construction part is spear head nozzle. This is the part of regulator of the Pelton wheel turbine. if we uh, forward this speed element to the right hand side, we will decrease the discharge of water, and in this way we decrease the speed of turbine. And if we uh, push this spear rod into the left hand side, then the discharge will increase, and hence the speed of the turbine will also increase. So we can say that the spearhead nozzle is the governing mechanism of Pelton wheel turbine. Then comes runner. Runner is something which rotate every time in the Pelton wheel turbine. Runner is nothing but the wheel. Runner of a Pelton wheel consists of circulating disc fixed with horizontal shaft. Shaft is horizontal and runner is vertical. On the periphery of the runner, a number of buckets are fixed at a uniform distance. Then comes buckets. Bucket is a hemispherical cup or bowl with a divider at the center. Divider is also known as the splitter, where the water is get split into the two halves. And buckets have the splitter, and the function of splitter is so that the energy of water do not lose in between. Then comes the shaft. Shaft is the most important part of the turbine because this is the one through which we get the output of the turbine. And this shaft is further connected to the generator. We will get the electricity. Now, one of the most important parts of this Pelton turbine is braking jet. Braking jet acts as a brake for reducing the speed of a runner. If suppose we want to stop the turbine immediately due to some hazard or accident, then first of all we forward the shaft or spear to the right hand side so that no discharge will take place, and then we will supply the jet of water on the back side, another side of the turbine, so that uh, this turbine can be stopped. Now, number of jet may be increased, but we don't try to increase it more than six, because if we increase the number of jet, then it will be very difficult to regulate the turbine. Now, this is the principle of impulse turbine. Impulse turbine principle is impulse means Pelton. Pelton is also impulse kind of turbine. This is the rate of change of momentum is equal to force, because the mass of the water is constant. It is covered by the casing. It is not changing every time. So we can say that is the mass flow rate into acceleration of the system. Now this is the working mechanism. The high-speed water jet emerging from the nozzle strike the bucket at the splitter placed at the middle of the bucket, from where jet are divided into two equal streams. These streams flow along the inner curve of the bucket and leave it in the direction of. So these streams rotate the runner due to the shaft, and this shaft also rotates and to the slip. Now you can see the mechanism of splitter. This is the spear with nozzle, and the water, the jet of water converted, split it into the two equal parts. Now come to the governing mechanism. Governing is nothing but the spear and nozzle element. As we push the spear forward, we will decrease the discharge and hence the speed of the turbine. These are the applications. In the applications, we see that the power can be generated with the help of the turbine. Thank you.